I've been gatekeeping this prompt, and it's the same prompt that I use to get these kind of numbers. All right, so I'm going to show you guys that now. ChatGPT handles 2.9 billion prompts a day globally. And unfortunately, most people are only using it to check their own spellings or to rewrite an email. You are literally sitting on a tool that could save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you guys how I taught ChatGPT to be my own AI media team. I'm going to show you 2 prompts on how I got a research assistant and a copywriter. Okay, so firstly, open up ChatGPT, and obviously you don't need to have the paid version for this, and this is the prompt that you're going to enter. So this is for the content researcher. You are my content researcher. My audience is describe your target audience, and they want outcome. Your task, analyze the most recent content from the top 3 creators in insert industry and identify the top 3 themes resonating with their audience, any emerging or overlooked trends, and then lastly, generate 5 fresh content ideas tailored to my brand voice. It's crucial that you put your own brand's voice in there, because some people are more motivational, some people are confident, some people are clear, some people are warming, some people are funny or sarcastic. And then next up, for each idea, provide a working title and a 1-sentence hook that grabs attention. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in some, we're going to plug in my older industry, which is fitness. Okay, so let's do that right now. So my audience is the fitness and wellness industry. You're going to have to pardon my spelling mistakes. And no, actually, sorry, did that wrong. My audience is busy parents / adults that are super busy and cannot get to the gym to exercise. And they want to live a healthier lifestyle and be fit. Okay, this is just an example. Analyze the most recent content from the top 3 creators in the fitness industry. Now, what you can do is you can actually just put the creators in. If you like a certain creator and you like the type of content they're making, just put their name in, but we'll do that next. I'm just going to keep it super broad for now. Okay, so from here, generate 3. So my brand voice is, we're going to keep that confident. We're going to keep it warming and inspiring. Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's see what it gives us. And again, you can play around. I highly recommend playing around with the prompt just to see what you get. And once you've narrowed it down into the type of prompt you want, you can stick with it. Okay, so this is what we got. Top 3 themes from leading fitness creators. Influencers like Karina Kapoor Khan. Is it because I'm brown and they put up a brown? Come on, ChatGPT, being a little bit racist here. Emphasize a balanced approach to fitness, focusing on strength training, mindful eating. It gives you the source there. I like that. Accessible home workouts, emphasis on mental health and sustainable habits. It shows another influencer right here. Again, this is just my first try doing it, so you guys can see what it gives you, and then you can build on that. Okay, emerging and overlooked trends. Wearable technology integration. The use of fitness trackers and wearables are on the rise. That's a fact. With individuals monitoring metrics like heart rate. Yeah, so if you're a fitness creator, why not get ahead of a trend and maybe do a review of what wearable technology your audience could wear. If there's a busy parent that doesn't know how many steps they're getting in, why don't you make a video offering that? Like, you can even do something along the lines of top 3 trackers for busy parents, or for beginners, top 3 GPS watches for beginner runners, right? So that's a trend right there. 30-30-30 rule. This emerging trend suggests consuming 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking up, followed by 30 minutes of steady state cardiovascular like walking. It has gained popularity that's awesome. Coaches, steal that. seriously, you can literally make a video saying 30-30-30 rule for, busy parents, or for beginner athlete, whatever it could be, right? Start implementing the stuff. This is how you get ahead. Most of the time, a lot of people on social media will see a top influencer doing something, they'll copy it. But why not get ahead of them and be the person that people copy instead? This is how you gain an audience. This is how you build a brand and you gain an audience, is you have to get ahead of the curve instead of just constantly picking up crumbs of what other people are doing. Next up, inclusive fitness content. Creators like the Fitness Marshal promote inclusive fitness by offering dance workouts, so on and so forth. If that's not your jam, you don't have to, but if it is, and you're not making content like that, do it. Okay, so 5 fresh content ideas tailored to your brand voice. So it's giving you the hook. Start your day with the powerful trio: protein, movement, and mindfulness to fuel your family's energy and growth. Not bad. Number 2, home gym hacks, transforming any space into your fitness sanctuary. No gym, no problem. See, you know what's funny? That always works. I made content like that almost 10 years ago, and it works. No gym, no problem. Discover how you can turn your living room into a workout haven with minimal equipment. Look at how many problems you're solving there. Solving the problems of people who don't want to go to the gym, or are intimidated to go to the gym, or don't have space or equipment. That's a gem right there. Number 3, begin your day with intention, simple practices to center your mind and set a positive tone for the day ahead. See, this is dope. This is really good. This, guys, is how you get research. This is how you want to get ahead. Instead of doing your research on social media about social media, get ahead by creating your own research assistant. And now you can just now you've set the persona for this chat. You can keep building off of it. Okay, so let's do that again, but we're going to put those 3 creators in to be a little bit more specific. Let's just say hypothetically, my audience is busy parents that have no time to work out. Okay, analyze your most recent top 3 creators, and we're going to let's just do Jeff Nippard. Let's do Andrew Huberman. Is his name Andrew Huberman? Yeah, and let's do James Smith. All right, let's see from that. Now let's do brand voice is going to be sarcastic and truthful. Yeah, let's keep it at that. Let's see what it gives us. So top 3 themes resonating with the audience. So science-based fitness strategies. We got efficiency and minimalism, mental health and well-being, emerging trends to overlook, micro workouts, neuroscience-informed training, home-based fitness solutions. Okay, it's still referring back to my audience of busy parents that don't have time to work out. Okay, 5 fresh content ideas tailored to your brand voice. No time, no problem. Get fit in the time it takes to brew your coffee. See, the sarcastic element is in there. I like that. Unlock the secrets of efficient science-backed neuroscience. Transform your living room into a fitness haven with these 3 simple routines. Boost your mood and mind with workouts designed for well-being. Find harmony between family life and fitness with these practical tips. I like it. It's not too sarcastic. It's there. There's science. It's kind of hard to be sarcastic with science and so on and so forth, and fitness. So I like it. The research assistant did its job. I'm pleased with it. Okay, so moving on to the second one, we got the AI copywriter. This is the prompt that you want to plug in. So you are my content copywriter. You know my brand voice. You put in the brand voice. You also know my audience. You put it in. Here is the original content idea. You put the original content idea in and you say this: I want to write an Instagram carousel up to 10 slides, with the first slide being a strong scroll, stop, and hook. Write a LinkedIn post, professional but approachable, 2 to 3 sentence short paragraphs, and write a TikTok reel script, 45 to 60 second long, punchy and fast moving with a strong opening hook. Maintain the exact same brand voice across all platforms. After you write them, explain the subtle adjustments you made for each platform to keep the tone consistent but effective for that audience. All right, so let's plug in, my brand voice. We're going to keep it, so for brand voice, we're going to keep it confident, direct, and we'll put slightly humorous slash sarcastic, mainly because I like the sarcastic one they gave before. You know my audience. You know what? Let's do me. Let's do it like I'm writing it for me. Okay, so content creators or coaches that need help with their marketing and digital social media content. Let's keep it basic. So, original content idea. Let's go with why storytelling is crucial to engage with your audience. And boom, let's see what it gives us. Okay, so here's the full content package based on your idea. Why storytelling is crucial to engage your audience, tailored for IG, LinkedIn, TikTok. I mean, if this is good, I might just make next week's posts right now. All right, so slide 1, this is the Instagram carousel. Okay, stop posting tips no one remembers. Storytelling sells. Find your audience. Your audience doesn't remember statistics, they remember stories. Story equals context and emotion. Without it, your post is just noise. Storytelling isn't fluff, it's the shortcut to attention, trust, and action. Ever scroll past the dry caption? Exactly. That's why storytelling matters. Stories make people care about your brand. Facts make them yawn. Yeah, I don't like facts-based, number-based content. I literally just peek at it and I move on. Whereas when you have somebody that tells a story, you're more engaged to stay. All right. Hook, conflict resolution, takeaway. This formula turns scrolling thumbs into loyal fans. Without storytelling, your content is invisible. With it, you become unforgettable. Swipe up, hit record, tell a story today. Your audience is waiting. Yeah, see, I love that. That's literally something that I would make. So I like it. So LinkedIn post, we have the LinkedIn post, 2 to 3 short paragraphs. Stop treating your content like a statistics report. The audience doesn't care about data points; they care about stories. Stories are what make your message stick. It makes your brand relatable. You know what? I like this so much. I might even just make a video about this to see what the scripts are anyway, and your audience actually listen. Think about it. You can share 10 tips, or you can share a personal experience that taught you the same lesson. Which one will people remember tomorrow? Which one will they share with a friend? That is the power of storytelling. The good news, you don't need to be a novelist. Start small. Share a real challenge, a lesson learned, or a moment of clarity. I love it. This is dope. Let's see what the TikTok script is now. Stop posting content nobody remembers. Seriously, you're wasting your thumbs. Here's your problem. You think people care about tips? I like it. This is good. This is somewhere. If you're a content creator and this video resonates with you and you don't know where to start, this is a great place to start. If you are a more advanced person, I would say this isn't for you. Most likely you already have a system in place. But if you're a beginner, you don't know where to go, you don't know where to start, this is it. Whether you are cooking recipes, whether you are sewing, whether you're a real estate agent that's just shy to get on camera, this is a beautiful place to start. And again, this is something that you can teach it and you can build off of it. You don't need to plug this directly and use it. It's a great place to start and to change and to keep building from it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you guys one more prompt, super quick. I've been gatekeeping this prompt and it's the same prompt that I use to get these kind of numbers. All right. So I'm going to show you guys that now. Okay, so this is what the prompt is. Here's a link of a popular creator in my niche. Analyze their top performing videos and structure your response exactly like this. Topic category, creator's vision. Your adaptation ideas. So unique adaptation idea number 1 and 2. Provide 30 proven content idea formats, formatted as above. You know what? We're going to change that to 15 just so it gets it right. You know what we're going to do? We're going to add me. I'm going to put me. Let's put my Instagram in there and have it analyze me and see what it gives. Okay, so free game. Actually, I say that a lot. I'm going to make this a series, content ideas for athletes and trainers. Okay, so unlocking the 333 method. A simple strategy for consistent content creation. That's something I would make, yes. Transform one idea into multiple posts, something I have done. I plan my content. Yep, this is dope. Comment AI and I'll send you my entire prompt playbook. Yep, that's my post. That's the vision that I had. So 5 steps to stand out in a crowded market. That's so good, I might use it. How to share your journey authentically. Crafting a cohesive look for your brand. Creative blocks, tips to stay. So that's a good one. That's a really good one. Because you're speaking to creators, and the one thing a lot of creators go through is that creative block. So if you can inspire them out of it, that's really good. I might actually take that. That's hilarious. I put myself into this prompt to analyze my content for me. So utilizing polls and questions to interact with your audience, collaborating with other creators to expand your reach. So yeah, if you can see from that prompt, I'll go over the prompt again so you guys have it. So here's a link to a popular creator in my niche. Analyze their top performing videos and structure your response like this, exactly like this. Topic, category, creative vision, your adaptation ideas. So if you notice, look, the creative vision, mastering visual storytelling. That is a post of mine that went viral. And then the ideas it got from that, using cinematic techniques in your video. Now, what you can do is you can merge this prompt with the research assistant and kind of combine it into one. And kind of that way it flows. You're constantly feeding it top performers, and then you're mixing that in with emerging trends. It's going to give you those ideas. You now that pass that on to the copywriter to create better scripts for your videos, text-based stuff in your brand voice for LinkedIn, and for what was the other one? And for Instagram carousels. So, and again, guys, I've been using ChatGPT, the free version. And as you can see, you can literally create your own AI media team. And this is coming from the place of you having a research assistant to help you find posts that obviously are working for other people, and then copywriting it so you don't have to think too much out of the box. You can literally have the bare bones frames, or if it's good enough, you just take it and you use that because it's in your brand voice for your audience with your niche and using your content and your original content idea. All right, so stop using ChatGPT to just spell check. All right, you're literally wasting hours just scrolling on Instagram, saving posts of people that are doing well, and then just copying that post and then wondering why that post didn't do well, because, well, the algorithm can see that it's just a copied post. Whereas when you have a persona in ChatGPT of a research assistant, what it's doing is it's getting that trend and it's creating a new trend for you in your brand voice. Now you're creating an original piece of content. Although the themes might be the same, you're creating an original piece of content that the algorithm knows now is a brand new piece of content, and it will push it. It will push it to your audience. All right, so stop wasting time and get on this. Use these two. Let me know down below if you're going to use these two. I'm going to make another video to expand your AI media team. At the moment, this was just the researcher and the copywriter. All right, but we're gonna get into some image gen and video editing for you guys, but we'll do that in another video. All right, but yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys are gonna use these prompts. Until the next one,